Shopping. Matthias, last game today. Yeah, Matthias?
Yeah.
Yo, uy, choose pa. That's pistachio.
Pistachio.
Did you know who likes pistachio other than you? Who? I think grandma like that.
Oh.
Grandma like that.
I just choose.
Hulo, nagkuan pa og kuan. Chocolate on toppings. And mommy's, we all like this.
Just like
Terrific
that.
cheesecake. Like? Hulo.
Wait, who got that one?
Ezekiel. Blue daw, but it's green. Oh, he likes this lab.
Pistachio.
Rocky Road.
Where'd he get
Right there. He's just put right there, yeah. Ezekiel thing is blue. But it's all blue lead.
How about that one?
Oh.
This.
We know you like chocolate.
Doing running and doing
Matthias, go! Cheerleader na si Matthias. It's huh? Kick it, pas kick it. Yay! Practice pa sila, practice. No, he's trying to practice kicking. Oh! Look at Matthias. Oh! He's trying. Thank you. Hi, Monkey Doo. Are you cheer, Matthias? How you cheer, Matthias? That's how you cheer, Matthias? How you cheer, Matthias? That's how the monster cheer. Oh my gosh. Wait. You could cheer Daxton too. Daxton is another team.
Next on the right team.
Yeah.
I got me out of the head.
Look. I think that's okay, Jack. At least there's one here, right?
It's the last game.
Yeah. He just what he just want to interest like, oh, I'm gonna run. Whoop. Stop. Whoop. Oh, Daxton got it. Whoop. Damn, let's get a lot of score. Yeah. Little pan. Uncle Glenn got you. Hi. Oh yeah, go. There's something. Matthias. Oh, there's Eloise, Ezekiel. Yeah, they're different team.
I didn't see you over there. I
Behind.
got Mama the kitty.
Oh. Yeah. Hi.
You wanna see?
Nagsay na kag-hi? Oy. Yep. There, boy.
Give him fish.
He is really sad. There, boy. Sometimes you're face to face.
What, they're not just a kid?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see what he's supposed to do. Whoa.
They have a nice cake. Oh, why you put it back? I'll give it. Oh. Yeah, they got it.
Oh, look, he's in this. He's got Eloise. Look at him.
That's
He's
funny.
so cute.
Right here, oh.
Oh, right there.
Stop stealing my stuff.
I'm not. I wanted to.
Yep. Over here. Uy. Tired na siya. Which one? That's okay, he tried. Ezekiel, someone is gonna hurt the Oh, no one is. Yay! Good job, Daxton.
Hi.
That's good. Up. Good. Up. The score. Oh, I took the other score.
Yeah, what's that?
Oh, they tried. Good. Up. Good. Woo! Whoop. Oh, good. He kicked it. Good job.
You actually got it?
Yep. Yes. Till Daxton, you send. Yep, that's true. Oh, one more point naman nandiyan. The score. Oy, 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 oy.
This is 12 feet.
Okay. Everybody got ultimate red.
Go. Good.
Get it out of there.
Yep, going the other way. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh. Oi. Out of there. He tried. Yeah. Good job. Oh, yeah, I didn't get in with this Daxton. Good thing. Whoop. Woo! Yeah, he's a good player. Oh, good thing. Matias was instructed by the coach. In the talking, you know. Woo! Oh, no. Yep. Did you get a good kick?
Come on.
Go get him, Matthias. Oh, man. It's okay, guys. I know. He will get soft when there's a girl. Oh, look at it. Huh? You barely red. Did you drink a lot of water? You drink a lot of water? We can hear him, huh? We can.
Did you say something?
Good pass. Whoop. Go get it.
Get it.
Yeah.
Get up him!
We have a special day for you. Can't wait.
You like that one?
Yeah.
But that's okay.
What happened today?
It's
I'm
okay.
Dutch, dude.
Wow. You did good, love. Oh! Take a picture.
Hey! Look at here! Hey, you see it? Good job! Dali na! Matthias, you did great job, love. You did great job. No, because sometimes when you... Yeah. Because you guys did a great job. All of you guys have medals, huh? Yeah? Yep, you get run a lot. Good job. Drink a lot of water na. You're very red. You've been getting a lot of ball. You did great job.
Yeah, you got medal today.
Yeah, I just need one.
Yep, you just need one. All of you have one, I think, right?
Two.
How many of you? 4 of them, Labha. Get today. So what's next today? Where are we going? Auntie?
Auntie's house.
Auntie's house. Auntie Jenny, we go swimming. So today is their last day of their soccer game.
It's gonna turn it
Last
down. I
day
do that
of the
for him.
season. But yes,
Yeah.
you did a really great job getting this ball.
People even say that because he did good.
I know. That's why you get medal, you think? Yeah. Matthias did great. Getting better and better. You're very red, my love.
I don't need a water bottle.
You don't need... Oh, here. Good job, my love. You did great today.
I just making my water bottle.
And Ezekiel did great too for cheerleader. Cheering Matthias. Did you know Matthias? He said, "Go, Matthias, go." Aww. You will let Ezekiel wear your medal? Go cheese here. Because you're a good cheerer. Here.
You did do a great job.
Aww.
You did.
But look at here, so Ezekiel could cheese the medal.
Go towards them.
You can have my medal.
Aww. I will put that in your room. That sound good? Or we can put this up.
I don't think you broke it.
Ezekiel got seatbelt too? Okay,
My boy,
good.
Matthias, that's your medal.
Yep, that's your medal.
Okay?
He will have this all if you play soccer.
When he gets a little older,
That's not medal, that's your necklace mommy get you.
Necklace is my medal.
your necklace is your medal?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mommy's happy. That's your medal, guy. Medal for being a good boy every day, yeah?
My boy, I know you want to share with us a cute, but you deserve that medal.
Yep, you deserve it.
For how much better you've gotten at soccer these last few weeks.
Aww.
If you cheer me once, then I will give you.
Oh,
Nope.
there's a deal there. No, that's yours, my love. You earn it. We will say you earn it. Like the coach, what the coach said to you guys. You guys earn it? Yep.
Is that what the coach said? Oh. You work for a little.
That's like wearing that medal. That's what you mean.
That's yours from now on.
Yep. You don't have to give Ezekiel. But it's very
It's very
nice.
kind of you.
It's very kind that you let him feel to have a medal. Got it?
Yeah.
Cheese your loves. I can see you. Cheese, mama. Oy. Okay. Napchi cheese.
Need to swim in the pool, Matthias?
Love. And what other today? Ice. Ice cream. Look at this one, guys. Made by Annabelle. Cross, it's like grocery. That's done.
I too, man.
Oy.
You could always try mine.
Hi. Crazies.
What?
Crazies in the pool. Woohoo!
You've been liking working on boilers? Yeah, it's pretty good. Better than trapped up out here.
And like I said, there's all those doofuses there, so if you don't want to do something.
Oh God!
Why not toast?
Oh wait, you want some pizza?
Pizza! Hey, Ezekiel, Matthias, you ready for pizza? Hi! No? Wow! Hi! What's happening? They're getting the pizza.
O ganiya, diri anag yung higayuna nagsugod ang krimen, nagnilabayay gid mi dring dapita nalingaw gid mi aning magnetic na water balloon. Oy hala, nagcatch pa mi dira imbis wa ko nadala og swimsuit na. Nalingaw na noon ang mga inahan naglabay-labay. Di pas basaan ang uli pero lingaw kaayo. Dako kay kog baba dinhi nagsigig buhak-hak. Wala kay ko video sa tong kaulan no kay mauwa pud kano magsita video di. Video na lang pud ko diri pina pahipi dinhi basta ginamong lingawa ay.
Yummies.
Di lang lingaw may ginikanan og labay-labay pati pud ang mga batuten partang mga sipatan nagkalingaw og labay-labay sa ilang inahan og amahan di nanguling basa oy. Worth it ang kabasa kay lingaw gid kaayo. Thank you very much Bailey family for the end of the summer soccer season
Plus,
party.
Matthias, this good. Look at this little. The two soccer game player. Pendero.
Cheers po. Ay!
Good. That's water. I mean, maybe. Okay.
Oh, yeah, probably. After I was telling Zeke that he was going to eat his organ system, and Zeke goes, I have a limited amount of
Body parts.
body parts. He bite his lip.
Where you at, Ezekiel? Grabby land.
It really shoots back at you. Good job. You, let's go.
Oi.
It's a beautiful day, my beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and you're smiling, holding on to your tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. So it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is rain.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.